Hey everyone, Brian again with Aero Teardrops, and we're here at the 2022 Portland International Auto Show. And today we're talking about our new Galley design. If you're familiar with us at all, you know our previous our original Galley design had hardwood doors, 3/4 inch face frames, and there was a cabinet on either side with an electrical area here in the middle. And now what we've done as we've CNC routed everything out of one sheet of plywood. So the cool thing about it, I really like, is that the grain is continuous through this whole sheet or this whole cabinet. It's also allowed us to cut down on a lot of waste and cut a little bit of weight out of the cabinetry as well. One thing we've been able to add are these push button locking latches. So you can retract and extend the little knob here and rotate it 1/4 of a turn and open the cabinet door. So everything latches closed now while you're traveling, and that'll eliminate things flying out of the cabinets while you're going down those bumpy roads. We've moved the main battery disconnect to this cabinet as well. Makes it a little bit easier to get to. And there's also an adjustable shelf in each side. Both of these cabinets are identical size. In this design, we've moved the trailer's electrical to the Galley. So power center is here, all of your fuses, circuit breakers, all right here. Easy to get to above the counter. And then the switches and power ports for the Galley are located here as well. You've got your overhead light switch, a USB port, and a 12-volt power port for all of your 12-volt accessories. There's also a 120-volt GFCI plug located in the Galley as well. That is energized when you're connected to park power or another 120-volt source. One improvement that we've made to this Galley design is we've been able to rotate the cooler or plug-in refrigerator 90 degrees. Our previous design, we're calling the previous design the Classic, had the drawer sideways in here. So it eliminated a lot of, not eliminated, but took up a lot of the room under here. So if you were wanting to do, say, 3 options like a stove, a cooler slide out, and a sink, you weren't able to do that in the previous design. And now with it turned this way, you're able to do that. One thing we're also excited about, or another thing we're also excited about, is this Dometic cooler slide. So it has a locking lever here. It locks in for travel, and then to open it, you're just sliding the lever, and it also locks out. So now it's out here where it's not going to slide back in if you're parked in an out of level spot. The way we have this cooler mounted is with their optional hard mount screws that go through the bottom. So this thing is really securely mounted to this drawer. There's also a strap option that we can do as well, and that'll allow you to unstrap it and use it as a portable cooler if you'd like. The center cabinet here, much deeper than our Classic design. Fit a lot of goodies in there, lots of deep storage. And if you select the Propex heater option, this is where that'll be located as well. We'll locate it in the back there and run the ducting into the cabin. Again, the push button latches on the lower cabinet doors as well. And our slide out stove is here on the right. I feel like we can really option the Galley out now with this design. And next we'll talk about the new interior cabinets.